We'll guide you through how to change an account to an administrator in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you didn't know, you can have multiple administrators on Windows, and so what you'll need to do to go and do this though is log in to the administrator account in Windows, because the administrator account can then give other accounts administrator as well. So what you may need to do is go and sign out of your account right now. To do that, you click on the Windows Start button, click on your username in the bottom left here, and you can press on sign out, or you can just go and click on the administrator account here and sign into it. Once you're on the administrator account, which I already am, then you need to go to your control panel. So let's just go and type in control panel. In the control panel, you need to click on user accounts and then user accounts again. And then you need to go and click on manage another account, and you need to find the account which you want to go and make an administrator. In this case, I want to go and make the Rob account that. So I went and clicked on it. And once you clicked on it, you then just need to click on change the account type. And then as you can see, we can now make this account an administrator. So I can now go and select that. And it then says administrators have complete control over the PC. So do just make sure you trust them and things like that. And then you want to go and click on change account type. And just like that, that user is now an administrator. If you come back to manage accounts, they are.